This is called a rec journal, and it's something that was really popular on Pinterest in about 2012. Basically what it is a journal meant to be creative and to also destroy. So it says, this was what I was supposed to write on the first page. Life is about getting up out of your chair and doing something. It's about doing nothing, moving your hand and your body, leaving a mark. It's about doing, acting, experimenting, trying something, immersing. It's about absurdity, a creation, evidence that you exist. Using materials, destruction. It's about fun and doing the opposite, breaking the rules, and it's about ideas and getting dirty and making mistakes, make a mark and be messy, and that's the point. Basically, it's a journal that is meant to be creative and to destroy. So, the first page is spill your coffee. Ooh, so this page. You can tell how mature I was. Or am. This is a shelf. My brain is a cluttered shelf full of things I can never find, and that is true. Trace what is in your purse. Smear cosmetics. Doodle. Make this page a sign. My husband and I used to write secret codes and put them on the refrigerator. That was kind of fun. So anyway, the whole point is to just do whatever you feel like doing. This, I burned the sides. It was very dangerous. Oh, a happy page. This is called the Take a Look In. A bunch of spices. Sad thing is I probably still have some of these spices in my spice cabinet. Local flip pages. The whole point is to just be creative and do whatever you feel like. But I happen to find some recipes in here, and these aren't that exciting. I cut them out of magazines, but I think we're gonna try this one, the crunchy onion chicken. So let's do it. So all you need is 4 boneless chicken breasts, 1 egg, 2 cups of French fried onions, and 2 tablespoons of flour. Put a little salt on the chicken. Add a little pepper. Add 2 cups of the French fried onions into a bag. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. And we're going to crush these up. Pour those into a container. And whip an egg in another container. Dip the chicken into the egg. And then into the onion mixture until it's nice and coated, and pat it down. And place on a baking pan. And bake for 20 to 30 minutes in a 400-degree oven. I guess our side is going to be this macaroni corn casserole. This is a Walmart special. Spray a 1.5 quart baking dish with cooking spray. Add a cup of macaroni noodles at the bottom. Spread that around a little bit. Add 1 can of undrained corn. Whole kernel corn. 1 can of sweet corn, cream style corn. Looks delicious. And now we're going to add some Velveeta. 4 ounces of Velveeta on top. I never said that this was healthy, but has great reviews. You're going to cook it in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. Right here for now. With the chicken. And there we have it, some crispy chicken with French onions on top. Alright, we're going to stir this up. Get the cheese all inside there. And mix it in with the corn. So there we have it, crunchy onion chicken with the side of macaroni corn casserole. Maybe add a little side salad. A quick, easy meal from my old rec journal. Anyway, thanks for watching.